How to make viral Bigo live content. A streamer with 12 followers just got 5,000 viewers in one stream and earned 2,000 in gifts overnight. Another creator went from 0 to 7,000 followers in 3 weeks using a content format that nobody else had tried. Meanwhile, talented streamers with polished content and consistent schedules are stuck at 20 viewers wondering what they were doing wrong. The difference isn't talent, equipment, or luck. It's understanding the viral mechanics that most creators completely ignore. Welcome to this Duel of Concepts deep dive into the science of viral Bigo live content, where we're about to reverse engineer the exact formulas, psychological triggers, and content strategies that transform unknown streamers into platform sensations. Viral content isn't accidental, it's engineered. Every piece of content that explodes on Bigo Live follows predictable patterns that tap into human psychology, platform algorithms, and social sharing behaviors. Understanding these patterns is the difference between hoping for viral success and systematically creating it. The viral content framework. Viral Bigo Live content always contains at least 3 of these elements. Surprise factor that makes people stop scrolling. Emotional trigger that makes people feel something strong. Social proof that makes people want to join the crowd. Shareability factor that makes people want to tell others. And participatory element that makes people want to be part of the experience. The most successful viral streamers understand that content doesn't go viral because it's good, it goes viral because it's engineered to exploit specific psychological and social triggers that make people compulsively share and participate. Ideas for engaging stream concepts. Challenge-based content consistently generates viral moments because it taps into human competitiveness and curiosity. Create impossible-seeming challenges that viewers want to see completed, skill demonstrations that seem too good to be true, or endurance challenges that create appointment viewing as people tune in to see how long you can continue. Transformation content works because people love before and after stories. This could be room makeovers during live streams, learning new skills in real time, dramatic appearance changes, or even personality transformations, where you adopt different characters throughout your stream. Interactive storytelling, where your audience controls the narrative, creates unprecedented engagement. Let viewers vote on story decisions, character choices, or even real-life decisions you're making during the stream. This makes your audience co-creators of your content rather than passive consumers. Leveraging current trends and platform dynamics. The key to trend leverage isn't copying what's already viral. It's identifying patterns early and creating your own version before everyone else catches on. Follow trending hashtags not to copy content, but to understand what emotional needs those trends are fulfilling. Then create your own content that meets those same needs in original ways. Seasonal and event-based content provides natural viral opportunities. Major holidays, sporting events, cultural moments, and even platform anniversaries create shared experiences that people want to participate in collectively. The trick is finding unique angles on universal experiences. Cross-platform trend adaptation brings viral concepts from other platforms to Bigo Live in ways that feel native to the platform's culture. What works on TikTok might not work directly on Bigo, but the underlying concept can often be adapted for live streaming in ways that feel fresh and original. Challenges that drive massive engagement. Physical challenges create immediate visual interest and shareability. These don't need to be dangerous. They can be skill-based, endurance-based, or creativity-based. The key is making challenges that look difficult but are achievable, creating tension and resolution that keeps viewers engaged. Social challenges that involve your community create viral loops where participants become promoters. Design challenges that require viewers to involve their friends, share on other platforms, or create their own content inspired by your stream. This turns every participant into a content creator, promoting your original concept. Progressive challenges that build over multiple streams create appointment viewing and sustained engagement. Start with simple versions and increase difficulty or stakes over time, giving viewers reasons to return, and new viewers catch up content that draws them into the ongoing narrative. Unique format innovation. Format innovation is where the biggest viral opportunities exist, because fresh formats haven't been algorithmic ally categorized yet, giving you better organic reach while the platform figures out how to classify your content. Multi-perspective streams using different cameras or guest streamers, time-based formats like speedruns or countdown challenges, or role-playing scenarios where you become different characters throughout the stream, all create unique viewing experiences. Hybrid content that combines multiple content types in unexpected ways often goes viral because it defies easy categorization. Combine gaming with cooking, education with entertainment, music with visual art, or fitness with comedy to create something genuinely new that stands out in crowded content categories. Interactive experiments where you test theories, try viral hacks, or explore unusual concepts in real time with your audience. Create compelling content because viewers become part of the discovery process rather than just observers of predetermined outcomes. Psychological hooks that keep viewers engaged. The curiosity gap is your most powerful retention tool. Always tease what's coming next. Create mysteries that won't be resolved until later in the stream, and build anticipation for upcoming segments. Never reveal everything at once. Parcel out information and revelations to keep people watching. Social validation creates addictive viewing because people want to be part of shared experiences. Acknowledge viewers by name. Create inside jokes that make your community feel special, and build traditions that only your regular viewers understand. This makes your stream feel like an exclusive club rather than public entertainment. Scarcity and urgency drive immediate action and prevent people from leaving to watch later. Create limited time offers, one-time only experiences, or content that will never be repeated. This transforms casual viewers into committed participants who can't afford to miss what might happen next. Content pacing and energy management. Viral content has distinct energy rhythms that keep people engaged throughout long streams. Start with high energy to hook new viewers. Provide information or value to keep them interested. Create interactive moments to make them participants. Build to emotional or exciting peaks, and then provide brief recovery periods before building to the next peak. The most successful viral streamers understand that attention is finite and needs to be managed strategically. They know when to push for maximum engagement and when to give their audience mental breaks that prevent fatigue and viewer dropout. Community building through viral moments. Viral content should always include elements that make your community feel special and included. Create content that rewards your regular viewers while still being accessible to new viewers discovering you through viral moments. This ensures that viral growth translates into long-term community building rather than just temporary view spikes. User-generated content opportunities turn your viral moments into ongoing community engagement. Design content that inspires viewers to create their own versions, responses, or related content that keeps the viral momentum going long after your original stream ends. Technical optimization for viral potential. Your technical setup becomes crucial when content goes viral because thousands of new viewers will judge your stream quality in their first few seconds. Ensure your audio is crystal clear, your video quality is consistent, and your stream doesn't crash under sudden traffic spikes that viral content can generate. Stream titles, thumbnails, and descriptions need to be optimized for discovery and sharing. Use keywords that people are searching for. Create thumbnails that stand out in crowded feeds, and write descriptions that make people want to share your content with others. Measuring and replicating viral success. Track the metrics that matter for viral content. Peak concurrent viewers, total unique viewers, engagement rate during peak moments, social shares and mentions, and follow-through to your other content or platforms. Understanding which elements of your viral content drove the biggest response helps you replicate success in future content. Analyze your viral successes to understand the specific triggers that resonated with your audience. Was it the surprise element, the emotional content, the interactive features, or something else entirely? This intelligence helps you systematically create more viral content rather than hoping to accidentally recreate success. Scaling viral success into sustainable growth. The biggest mistake creators make with viral content is not having systems in place to convert viral viewers into long-term community members. Have clear pathways for new viewers to become regular followers, subscription or membership options ready for increased interest, and follow-up content plan that builds on viral momentum. Viral success should be leveraged to build sustainable content strategies, not just temporary view spikes. Use viral moments to test new content formats, gather audience feedback on what resonates, and build the foundation for consistent growth, rather than just one-time explosions. Long-term viral strategy development. Sustainable viral content creation requires understanding your unique strengths and building content strategies around what you can consistently execute at a high level. Don't try to replicate other people's viral formulas if they don't align with your skills, interests, or resources. The most successful viral creators develop signature styles that become associated with their brand. Instead of chasing every trend, they create trends within their niche that other creators then try to copy. This positions them as innovators rather than followers in the viral content ecosystem. Creating viral content on Bigo Live isn't about luck or hoping the algorithm notices you. It's about understanding human psychology, platform mechanics, and content engineering principles that make sharing and engagement inevitable. The streamers who consistently create viral moments are the ones who approach content creation as both an art and a science. Remember, viral content is just the beginning. The real success comes from converting viral moments into lasting community growth, sustainable income, and long-term platform success. Every viral moment is an opportunity to build something bigger than just a single popular stream. If this deep dive into viral content creation just gave you a dozen new ideas for your next stream, hit that like button and drop a comment with the wildest or most creative stream concept you're now planning to try. Subscribe to Duel of Concepts for more content strategies that actually move the needle instead of just keeping you busy. And here's your viral homework assignment. Pick one psychological hook from this video and design a stream concept around it. Then come back in a week and tell us whether it worked, what you learned, and what you'd do differently next time. Your real-world experiments help all of us understand what actually works versus what just sounds good in theory.